Hi everyone, it's Catherine again here with Coupon Cart Club, just with a quick video on what I purchased. I think it was like 2 weeks ago and it's finally here. For the people who follow me before, you know that on this channel I always talk about couponing, deals, and how you can get stuff at a really good discounted price. So this video is kind of gonna be about it, but kind of not, but more to just show you what I purchased. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Coupon Cart Club, and I'll have the Facebook link down below if you guys want to join. So I guess we can just talk about it a little bit more before I show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so if you guys don't know, Juvia's Place is an amazing makeup line that came out a few years back. They came out with like eyeshadows, highlighters, different things. And this season, they came out with a full coverage foundation. So I've been watching some of my favorite beauty vloggers telling me how great it is, and I had to just basically try it for myself. So for the people who are a little afraid to try Juvia's Place up front, of course my best suggestion is to go to Ulta. They do have testers there. The colors range from I think it's 7:30 to like 3 something. It ranges, and the way the colors are set up, the darker colors are the lower numbers, and then it goes down to like the lighter shades are going to be the higher numbers. So it's really good. Usually it's like the other way around, something like that. I barely even noticed that. I don't know. As you can see, I don't even got any makeup on my face right now. But definitely you guys can definitely check it out in Ulta. They'll have the testers there, and the 20% off coupon that is going around, it does apply to Juvia's Place. But you know, since it's Juneteenth, everybody's celebrating Juneteenth, yay, happy Freedom Day. You know that I'm big on helping black business owners, so I try not to use like different discounts when it comes to buying their stuff, but I'm always gonna give you guys the deals and let you know what the deal is. So you can definitely buy these foundations and concealers through Ulta at a discounted price. Oh, I gave it away, didn't I? What I was gonna be talking about, but oh well, it doesn't matter. So I guess we can start showing it. So I ordered about 2 weeks ago. I was waiting for it to ship. I was checking my email literally every day to see if the tracking number came about, and like the tracking number finally hit like last week, like Wednesday, but then it didn't ship out until Monday. So I was like, oh my gosh, when is this thing gonna get here? I was like so freaking out. And it finally came on Friday. But I didn't get a chance to look at it. I didn't get to open it. I just ripped off the tape and, you know, my address and stuff. But the box came. I'm so excited. I was so happy to see it. You know, because I was looking forward to it. Usually I try not to buy makeup online, because the last time I bought makeup online, it was a Christian Louis Vuitton lipstick. It came perfect. It was great in the box, but the lipstick was horrible. I spent like $95 on that lipstick and it was like the pits. I was like, oh no, you guys gotta go back. All right, so let's open this box. I already see something janky going on. I see something janky going on already. So I guess one of my I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundations was already open. I guess they had to quality control it. I think somebody was trying to see if it was their shade or not. So Juvia's Place comes out with this foundation. It's like this orange packet thing. It's really good if you can see it. I don't know, I'm trying to get it focused. I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't know how these beauty bloggers do it. Yeah, okay. And then it has like the matching situation. A lot of people were complaining because like the foundation bottle, you can't really see the color, but that's why you go into the store and you test it. You got to see really what it is. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to see. But yeah, so this foundation is really really good. It's really strong because I tested it in the store. Yeah, it's not open. There's a silver thing that's there, so no worries on that. It was just somebody probably just left the box open. But yeah, so the foundation retails for about $14, so I did decide to pick up two just in case. As you know, for the people who are following me, I will be going to Vegas in July, and I'll be competing in the Mrs. Regency International pageant. Yay, so excited. So you know, I'll be competing against girls all over the world. Last year I placed fourth runner up and then got awarded the title Mrs. Empire State, so a little excited. So yeah, back to Juvia's place. It's amazing. This packaging is amazing, as you guys can see. I know my yellow lighting is really bad because it's not natural lighting. I'm not a true beauty guru blogger, but it's okay. So the I Am Magic concealer, it came in that orange box too. It's really good. Like their packaging and the way they do things is really cool. But the concealer, you can definitely see it. You can definitely see the concealer. It looks good. I think it fits close to like my skin tone or whatever. But I'm excited to wear it because, you know, I'm gonna be under lights, and having full coverage makeup when you're performing is like the best. For the people who don't know, I am in the fashion industry, like as my regular job. So I deal with like models and actors and all this different type of things. And you know, when you're like 15 hours on set under some lights, you know, your makeup is gonna melt. But if you got some really good foundation, you'll be good to go. And what is this? It says Bella. Oh, it's blush. So I did pick up some blush also. I totally forgot about that I did pick up some blush. That's really cool. This packaging is kind of psychedelic. It's really cool. Let me see if I can get it open to show you guys. But Juvia's place last week, these people, right? I didn't even notice it until after I had already purchased everything that I had purchased. And they came out with like a setting powder. I was so upset. I was like, hot dang it. Now I either gotta order it and wait another 2 weeks, or try to run to every Ulta in like a 40-mile radius. Because here in New York City, we have like two. I think it's like 1 or 2 Ultas. And I think one is like in Brooklyn or Queens. And the other one is in the city on like 86th Street. And you know, once they're out, they're out. And it's like the worst. Like, trying to get products there is the pits. It goes so quickly. And I'm like so upset at Sephora right now. Because that whole thing that they did to the crayon case. So, if you don't know, I'll give you some tea, some drama, some coupon drama. Well, not really. It's more like beauty guru drama. But that's okay. If you guys want to still watch, it's good. So the crayon case, if you guys don't know, is a black-owned business. She started this company where she does makeup, and everything is like crayons and notebooks and pencils and all of that. And Sephora and Moschino had the nerve to copy everything that she did. So I have not ordered from them in a long time, and like I said before, I'm in the fashion industry, so I buy makeup, and they messed up. I was like, oh, look at that. I was going to Ulta anyway, because that's where Juvia's place is. It's not Ulta. So you can only get Juvia's place either at Ulta or at juviasplace.com. Right now they are having some deals on some of the eyeshadow palettes and the, the highlighter palettes. So if they're sold out in the stores and you're having problems trying to get them, it's just because they're on sale. Everything is like half price right now. So definitely run over to juviasplace.com. This video is not sponsored. I wish I would get a sponsor, but that's okay. I can deal with not having one. But yeah, they definitely have it. They definitely do have a really big sale on a lot of the eyeshadows and highlighters and different things going on. So I was trying to get this box open this whole time, and there's no way that I'm getting it open. But that's okay. I guess I'll show you guys some pictures on Instagram. Just remind me in the comments down below so I can show you. But yeah, I definitely got, you know, extra boxes just in case. They did say that a little goes a long way when it comes to that foundation and concealer, so don't try to overdo it. And once again, like I said, you can definitely get discounts at Ulta. They're always having like coupons with makeup deals. All you have to do is make sure you get one of those Ulta booklets, or like talk to the cashiers. Cashiers in Ulta, they're really nice. You compliment them. There's like one girl on 86th Street, she has blue hair. She looks so cute, and she looks good with blue hair, because there's some people who don't put the right hue of blue in their hair and it looks crazy. But she's really cool. Just talk to her and be like, hey, I don't got a coupon, but I know this is on the 20% off list, girl. I don't want to get her fired, so just make sure that you you know, you definitely purchase some stuff, and we go from there. Anyway, beautiful people, I know I keep messing with the camera. I'm really bad at this, but I'll get it one day, you know. Hopefully you guys are still around. But again, thank you again, beautiful people, for listening and watching. If you want to join our Facebook group, we'll have the link below. And if you want to chit chat about couponing, financial advice, and if you're a victim of domestic violence and want to have that one-on-one free financial advice, just send me a quick email at couponcartclub@gmail.com. Alright, I will see you beautiful people soon. Okay, bye.